Friends, one thing I would like to share, I just want to speak my heart that I am not getting kind of support which I was expecting from you people, but it is not coming from you. So that is why I am bit disheartened, and I have stopped posting long video. I have been posting only shorts since I don't find any support coming from you. I don't find people uh, showing their interest in my videos. So that is the that is the reason I thought, why to waste my time. If you are really interested, then please do support. Please share it with others. Please do like. It means a lot. It means a lot for an artist, for an uh, for an artist, for a content creator. It is everything. It helps them to motivate themselves. And subscription is completely free here. You don't need to spend a single penny from your pocket. So if you subscribe, if you support, if you give a thumbs up, if you share a video, then it motivates an artist, it motivates a content creator to produce more. I hope you have understood my concept, my thoughts. And with all due respect, please don't take any offense. With all due respect, I'll keep making videos, but definitely I'll do very less videos. I'll create very less videos because I don't see much support coming from you. So that is the reason. If you start supporting, I'll keep producing more video. Thank you. Friends, today I have drawn a picture, very nice picture. So it's a landscape picture, and I have used these soft oil pastel colors from Brastro, and I'm going to show you the methods that how I have drawn this picture. I'm going to show you the method throughout the video. So please stick to this video till the end. And if you love art, if you want to be an artist, if you want to try your hand in drawing, then please watch it till the end and learn from the video, because I have shown the entire techniques. It's very simple and very easy. It is for beginners only, those who want to start their art journey. It is for them only, and step by step methods have been shown in the video.